All right, welcome to station two. This is substitute to solve. So this is when we don't have a graph and instead we use what we know about equations and equation sense to create a solution. So we have these two equations, a equals 4b minus 6 and 7a minus 6b equals 68. And that first equation tells us what a equals. It equals that entire expression of 4b minus 6. So we can take that and plug it in where we have a in the second equation. So that's what I've done here. I've taken that 4b minus 6 and just plugged it in where a was in the second equation, which gave us 7 times the quantity 4b minus 6b equals 68. And from there, I simply solve as you would, distribute, combine like terms, add 42 to both sides, divide by 22, and we end up with b equals 5 for our solution here. So we have half of our solution, right? The next thing we need to do is then go and put 5 in for b and solve for a. So I did that with our first equation. If b equals 5, we plug that in, we get a equals 4 times 5 minus 6. Order of operations working through that, you eventually get a equals 14. So that would imply to us that our solution would be 14, 5, because they want it in order A, B. Just like we did before, we're going to check it. So I'm going to go back to that second equation, 7a minus 6b equals 68, and plug our two numbers in, which 7 times 14 minus 6 times 5 equals 68. And when you work through that, you do get 68 equals 68. So that means our solution for number 1 is in fact 14, 5. Just like with the last one, you are going to do numbers 2, 3, 4 by yourself. At the end of that, you're going to get the notes so far checked, and then the rest of the lesson you are on your own.